Anytime I get a plain brown bag and it's still in good condition, I save it. I took this off of a Trader Joe bag, cut it out, and now we're going to transform this bag into a Christmas bag. Quick and easy. Side. On the other side, we're just going to put a beautiful old-fashioned stamp. Merry Christmas. And there you have it. Gift inside, and there we have our beautiful, simple Christmas wrapping. Hello, Kindred Spirits. It's Frugal Living at the Apartment Homestead. Stay with us. So this is the second video I've done on my frugal living here in my apartment homestead, and some of the ideas you may already know and some may be new to you. I'm sure you'll find something that is of value to you. And today I'm making my own laundry detergent. Lots of people do, but everybody seems to have their own formula. So this one is mine, and I'm starting out shredding 1/3 of a bar of Fells naphtha. Okay, so now it's all done. We're just going to put it in the jar. This one is going to stay in my car. It's plastic. So we'll fill this one up first. And this will stay at home. Okay. I'm going to put a little scoop inside this, get it in there, and let's just label it, and we're done. And we have saved a lot of money. So I've got a bunch of these rechargeable batteries, and it's so simple to do. And think of the money you save. These can be recharged over and over. So it's a very good idea to invest in rechargeable batteries. There we go. Okay. Now all you do is plug it in, and in 3.5 hours, this will be done. Can't get any easier than that. So, cleaning up my closet, I was going to dump these mules. The leather's all worn out, and they've just seen better days. But as I was about to put it in the garbage can, I was looking at the heels and the soles, and honestly, they're still in excellent condition. All the stitching is still there. The bottoms are still in great condition. Really, it's just the leather that's worn. And I just said, it's not right. I can't throw these out. I paid a lot of money for them. And why throw away another $150 for a similar pair of shoes when I can really get more life out of these? So let's start being frugal and see if we can resurrect these mules. And I think we're going to start by cleaning the leather and then dyeing it. Okay, so they're all clean, and now we're going to dye them this Phoebings, I think that's how you say it, leather dye. This stuff is a mess, so we have to take this really carefully. Okay, so we're just about finished. Look at the color now. Look at that. Oh my gosh. It's a totally different pair of shoes. Ugh, look at this mess I made in here. I'm gonna see if I can clean that up. We are going to put some leather balm on this and shine them up a little bit, and let's see how they turn out. Okay, so it's been a little bit, it's all dried, and now we're gonna put some leather milk on this to kind of seal the dye and to feed the leather and nourish it and make it look beautiful. So let's begin. Okay, look at them now. What a difference. Look at this. Now, they don't look brand new, but they look pretty good. Now, don't look at the inside sole. I don't care what that looks like. I took off some of the dye that was in here, but the inside nobody sees. But this came out really good. Look at that. Look at these. Definitely can get at least 2 more seasons out of these shoes. So I used leather CPR, then this leather dye, got it all on Amazon, and finished it off with leather milk. So just a little. I just saved $150. So here's an interesting way to save a few bucks. I am finished with my supplement called Tutka, and to replace it, I'm going with a company called Bulk Supplements. They're easy to find online, and this is only about $19 with tax, somewhere around that. So it is a significant savings. This is 60 capsules, so I have 60 here, empty capsules, and I'll just fill it up myself. It's both 500 milligrams. All you're doing is investing a little bit of time, and you're saving some significant dollars. So let's get started. Going to throw desiccant in, and I might as well use the same bottle. Have you seen the first video I made on frugal living? Check out my first video. I think it'll be really helpful to you. Well, until I see you next week, God bless. I'm gonna finish this up, and you go watch my first frugal video, and I'll see you next week. God bless.